What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to our channel where I inspire your desire to be great. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching another video, you guys. It's slightly late. It's 10:30 at night, but I really had to film this video for you guys because I haven't filmed in 2 days and I'm super sorry. I've just been like extremely busy. I'm not even gonna lie, and it's just been hard to film the last 2 days, and a lot of you guys have been blowing me up like, where's the video? Because you guys got so used to me putting out videos just about every single day. But I want to thank you guys so much for your amazing support. Thank you guys for always checking on me when you guys don't see the videos. I appreciate you guys so much, and let's get into today's video. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, and I'm really excited to put this video out. I was supposed to put it out last week, but unfortunately things happened. I couldn't do it last week. Moved it to this weekend. I was supposed to do it yesterday. Didn't get the chance. Well, I did do it yesterday, but I didn't finish it, and then of course I couldn't film like the whole process. Maybe next year when I do it again, because I'm probably gonna make it an annual thing because it was really fun. This was my first time doing it. I'll film like the entire process. So of course this video is a how-to video pretty much. So it's how to make a vision board. So this is my first time making a vision board. First thing that you do, of course, go to the dollar store, get you some supplies. You definitely need scissors, you definitely need some glue, you definitely need glitter glue because that's helpful, markers, pencil, and that's about it. I don't think I forget anything else. You don't need like a lot of supplies, but you need fun, creative supplies. Then the second thing that you also have to get from the dollar store is a poster board. So I got a big one because your girl got big goals, big dreams, big visions. So I got a big poster board. This is the back, by the way. I'm not showing y'all the front until it's time for me to show you the front. So yes, you also need a poster board. Then the next important thing, this is like the big like most important not ingredient but equipment for the vision board is the magazines. So you need different magazines. For me, I didn't have to go out and buy magazines, thank God. I had old magazines from my business that I do outside of YouTube, and I also got some friends to bring and collect like magazines from different places, and yeah, that's how I got my magazines. If you want, but I don't think it's necessary because you can find magazines anywhere, like at the hospital, the library, different magazines for free. But you want to find magazines that will definitely have pictures of your goals. So pretty much a vision board is just a board with a vision of your dreams and your goals, visuals. So picture of, I don't know, a car that you like, picture of a bag that you want, picture of a place that you want to visit. Basically, it's the visual part of your goals. So of course I did do videos on like my goals and stuff like that did I do a video on my goals for 2018? No, I don't think I did, but I did talk about goals and all of that stuff, and I definitely did already write my goals down for 2018. It was just a matter of bringing them to life on a vision board. So I just explained to you guys what you need, of course, for a vision board. So now I'm gonna show you guys my vision board, and I'm amped because I think it came out amazing, especially because this is my first time doing it. I always wanted to do it. I just never really had the time and the chance to do it, and I finally did it, and you guys get to see. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys my vision board, and I'm gonna explain, of course, like the different things of it. Okay, so first things first, and actually I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this is my second time filming this video because the first time I filmed it, before I even like started editing, I realized like how bad it was. I forgot like so many things to say, and it was a little bit disorganized, and I was like, I can't put out that type of quality video, so I just decided to redo it. And I'm gonna try to keep this video kind of short and not bore y'all, but y'all, can y'all wait, let me put it for y'all where y'all can see it. Can y'all see that? Look how gorgeous and beautiful and wonderful that looks. Okay, without further ado, I'm gonna explain like piece by piece. So first things first, I did a little title or whatever. So the title says live your best life. So that's like my biggest goal for this year. A lot of people kept saying it last year, like, oh, live your best life, I'm living my best life, but it's really like something that I want to do. Like, I really want to live my best life. Okay, so Of course, I had to find a way to make myself remember that this is 2018's vision board, so that when I do future vision boards, they don't get messed up. So the goal, of course, is live my best life all 2018, and it says inspiration, motivation, celebration under it. So I want to live my best life, inspiring people, motivating people, and pretty much celebrating life. So second thing, as y'all can see, I know y'all see that Benz right there. So growing up, I always wanted to drive a Benz. I always liked them. I thought they were nice. So I added it to my vision board, and I put a little thing in there that says goal driven, because that is what I am. I am a goal driven person. So figured I would add that there. Second thing, I'm not going to explain certain pictures on there because I don't want y'all to know like all my goals. I want to surprise y'all like in future videos with some of them. So y'all see it says living big in a cottage, picture of a cottage, picture of a living room, suite, table, whatever. Around it, y'all see that little camera? You know your girl got YouTube goals. So of course I had to add a camera in there. Put 1M. 1M could be $1 million, or it could be 1 million subs, any way that y'all want it. Okay. Make money through social media. I found that little quote in a magazine, so I cut it out and added it because that's definitely one of my goals, is to make money on social media. This is another important goal. It says I want to spend my days maximizing happiness, and definitely that's what I want to do. Like I really want to maximize being happy, and yeah. I'm gonna skip some of them. I thought this was cool to put it here, of course, on a mission, because I'm definitely on a mission to become successful. Right here it says sow the seeds, and I put a picture of Rome because I want to sow seeds in other people internationally, and I also want to travel. Also, personal development. I feel like I don't do as much personal development that I used to, but I feel like why I don't do it is because I wanted to execute on the personal development that I have done in the past. So I definitely want to get back on that. Diversity, of course, I want to just diversify. I'm not going to explain this one. It says, I don't want to read that quote, but it's a quote. Of course, entrepreneur, definitely a goal. Right here, I put Fendi because my goal is to build my own brand. And Fendi, of course, is a major brand. Gucci, Chanel, Tiffany and Company. Definitely want to start wearing designer stuff this year. Right here, it says, can I get your recipe? I definitely want to start doing cooking videos for you guys this year because some of y'all requested it on Instagram when I was doing Instagram stories of like me cooking. So definitely want to do that. Right here says don't wait, innovate, and that's definitely one of my goals, is to innovate a lot more, especially on social media. So now we're approaching the other side of the board. One of my goals is to write a book. So I put a picture of a book, and then I found a book that says how to become $1 million speaker. And I'm not gonna lie, I think it would be amazing if I did become $1 million speaker, because y'all know I love speaking, I love inspiring you guys. So that will be really dope. Also right here, y'all can see it says motivate, inspire, change lives, and that's definitely something that I want to do. I want to motivate much more people. Like I always tell you guys, like I want my YouTube channel to inspire millions and millions of people all across the world. I want to inspire people, and I definitely want to change people's lives through my YouTube channel. So definitely figured that was a need to add that. I want to upgrade my wardrobe, so I put a picture of like a hat, a jacket, or whatever, like little things that I definitely want to upgrade. Value yourself. Y'all know, like I said, I love those positive quotes. Y'all can't see it. Seize the day. Also put a picture of Oprah, because of course, if I'm not mistaken, she is one of the richest females in the world. So I put my goal is to make money like Oprah. Then I also want to save. I put a picture of a piggy bank because, hold on, I gotta show y'all. Okay, so maybe I gotta come on this side, that's better. So I want to save money, and I definitely want to save time. So put a picture of a piggy bank, and that I also want to be free financially. That's definitely a goal for me long term. I put another picture of a camera because I want to capture my life, capture my goals. So that's why y'all saw two pictures two cameras on here. What else? Oh, this right here, I put makeup, y'all. I want to learn to apply makeup a lot better. I'm not good at it. I don't wear a lot of makeup. No matter how many tutorials I watch, you guys, like, it's really, really hard for me to grasp how to apply makeup. For the life of me, it's just really hard. So I just put it as a goal for this year. And I think that's it. And then I signed it, you guys. Put my little name. And of course, y'all know the brand, More Motivation. So I think I covered everything. Oh, I definitely want to go back to drinking more water like I've always done. I want to go into mentorship as well, like mentoring other people, especially younger girls or even younger boys, like just children in general. Just mentor them to follow their dreams, follow their goals. And I think that is it, you guys. I believe I covered everything on here. So like I said, and of course, always become more confident. Wait, y'all can't see that. Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see it. Confidence, and then it says making a difference. I definitely want to make much more of a difference. So that is my vision board, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm most likely going to be doing this video annually because I really loved it. I really enjoyed it. And I believe you guys should do it too. And follow me on Instagram, of course, and DM me a picture of your vision board if you do one. And to my YouTubers, this is definitely a great video idea. It's fun, it's amazing content. But that is all I have for you guys. I'm gonna cut this video short, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share this video. But I will see you guys in the next video where I inspire your desire to be great.